Hey guys, Wade here. It's about 7:30 in the morning. The forecast shifted on me, so the rain is supposed to start here in the next 20 minutes to half an hour, and it's supposed to increase steadily. So instead of waiting out this whole entire day that's supposed to be rain, I'm going to go ahead and get this bird flipped ASAP. So I thought I would document it on the video just to make sure I capture it and you guys can see what I did. I have a winch up here, and then let's try out this redneck engineering, huh? All right, let's see how she goes. There's a tie down strap to the back of my truck on the other side just to make sure that this thing doesn't flip over on its face. Okay, continuing forward, or backwards. As you can see, I'm using the truck. I'm using the hitch at the back to tie down a tie down strap so it doesn't flop over on the top. And so that's positive control. I put a big sheet of plywood on the back of the truck just in case the winch cable were to fail and minimize damage of this thing coming down. Obviously there is some risk involved, but let's keep going. Okay, I had the roll bar on there. I wanted it kind of for this critical phase, but I'm going to be busy working these different lines, making sure that this thing is nice and taut when it starts coming over. And so I also put some pour foam on the front of F28. Just trying to do that in the rain. It's covered right now. Hopefully I got enough in there. If I have to re-pour, that's fine. I mean, it's just cosmetic, but I figured I might as well do it when it's flat where it is now. It is actually starting to rain. I want to get this thing flipped before this rain picks up. Okay, I think I might have lost some video at some point running around. I apologize. Basically, I just used the truck and backed it up once it was vertical, and very, very slowly backed it up with a tie down strap. It worked fine. I just jammed the cart, the dolly up underneath there. I weighed it down with some heavy weights to make sure it wouldn't move. And then I was just able to reach up with my arm right in here. You can see my F28 foam came out pretty good. I think it'll work. I'm just going to shave it down. It's only going to be like 1/4 of an inch thick. I just wanted to make sure I had enough while I'm there messing around. But it's raining pretty good. You can see this is wet. So I want to get this thing inside to get this foam dried out so I can start working on the lower strake skins. I can't. I still need to move it forward about an inch and a half, but I can't do it with these big guys, heavy guys on the back. So I got to get this thing inside and then start working on removing these half moons. All right, so it was successful. I'm calling it good. Okay guys, so this is the last little bit. The fuselage just slipped. I apologize about the missing footage on the last half of the flip, but the rain really started coming down. I was in a mad dash, and then when I went over to the tripod to check out the camera or my phone, it wasn't there. It was actually in the truck. So at some point in my craziness to get this thing flipped before it started raining too heavily, I lost the footage. So anyway, this is it. I'm gonna take these half moons off. I'll probably put some stills at the end of the video. Hey, thanks for watching. Cheers.